it is. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Okay, this is the video where you find the Coupe cars, like whatever I've got. I've missed on some cars, I'll tell you that later in the video, but until then, let's begin. So first up, we have the 90 Acura NSX. This was there in the previous cases in yellow color. If I'm not wrong, it was in the M case, I guess, if I'm not wrong. So this is from the HW90s series. It says 90 Acura NSX, and this one is in white color. I like the white color, so I got it. I didn't like the yellow color, so I didn't get it. As simple as that. Pretty simple, pretty basic. No front details because this has pop-up headlights, but there is the Acura logo there, and the rear detail is done good. Also with the metal spoiler. This is a cool car that I thought I should have. I also have the Acura from the HW Motor Show, so yes, I would like to have this one. Next up is this. This is the Dodge van. Okay, it is from HW Van series. This is the 5th one, and I got this because it looked cool. Yeah, and I also happen to like vans a little bit, especially that Volkswagen van, that vintage, if you know that one. So this comes with the HW Racing livery on this one. It is matte black, I assume. It has pretty good front details, not the silver grille though. It has some details, and the rear has no details at all. I didn't like the tires at all. They could have done something better than that. So the top is glass. Okay, we have the green tinted glass all over. We'll check this out in the full video. Next up, we have the Bumblebee. This is also the recolor. Last time we had it in the L case. L or M or N case here. So this is not from the M case now. This is previous to that, L case. Yeah. So this one is in a very nice shiny gold color. I told you in the last video, if you haven't checked the yellow color Bumblebee video, I will leave the link in the description. So in that video I said like the paint job was not that good, and it looked fine. Now we also have the wheels changed. That one had silver wheels, 5-spoke alloy, basic wheels, standard Hot Wheels wheels. Yeah. So this one is good. I'll keep it. For the first time ever, I found a Bugatti. I didn't have the Bugatti Bolide from the yellow color like it was in the previous case. I couldn't even get the Bugatti Chiron. Okay, okay, that's fine. We can get it in the next cases, but this one I had to get, and I got it. Thank God. And let's talk about this one. So this one is the Bugatti Bolide. It is from the HW Exotic series. Okay, it comes in the dual tone color, that is the black and the red one. It doesn't have any major front details as such, but it does have sleek tail lamp details. If you don't have the yellow one, I would tell you that you should get this one. And even if you have the yellow one, I think this still makes sense, you know, to have it. Up next we have and you guessed it wrong, it is a Tesla Cybertruck. Okay, so this is from the HW rolling metal 4x5. This is the 4th one, not the 5th one, and I can only say one word for this. It is big. Big is the word, and it is really huge. I mean, so this comes in the Zamak style thing, yeah, because even the Tesla Cybertruck comes in that same color. The wheels look big and chunky, and the front details, as you can see here, is that LED strip and rear tail lamp LED strip. Nothing much you can see here. I have some more thoughts on this. I will share it in a full video. Okay, next up we have is the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. This is also a recolor. We had seen it in the previous case in red color, if I'm not wrong. So this is in the factory fresh series, and it comes in a very nice blue color. Okay, there's some basic livery on this one, or just some paint job. Front is detailed, not the rear. I think it's a very cool car, so I got it. Next up we have is this one, Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe. This is the best car from the Q case. This is my opinion, honest opinion. I love this car a lot. Look at the Gulf livery on this one. Yeah, it says Gulf here, 3 Gulf here. It doesn't have headlamp details or the tail lamp details, but this is one of the cars that is so cool and so vintage. The silhouette of this car, takes me back years, and it also reminds me of the old F1 races in the movie Ford versus Ferrari. So I really like this one, and if you get it, if you find this one, don't miss the chance. It's a very cool car. Last but not the least, this is the most hyped car of the Q series, and I know I can see why it is, because it is this is the Ford Mustang Darkos. This is the toned down version of the Ford Mustang GTD 2025. If you have not checked it out, you can check it out on Google something. And this comes from the Then and Now series. It's the last car, 10 on 10 you say that, see. And this one comes in satin blue color. It is a very calming color and very pleasing color to the eye. So why this is so hyped in this case is because of the front details, the rear details. In just 179 rupees you're getting this all. Okay, so don't pay more for any of these cars that I've showed you here. Don't pay more than 179 rupees. Alright, so this was the Q case, and one more car I have is the treasure hunt. Yes, I got the treasure hunt. It is the Porsche 928 Safari. I think this is a very unique car, and when I saw it in the images, I thought it's a cool car. I'm seeing it in person in this blister. I think it's not that level of cool that I want to have it, but it is not that level of bad that I don't want to have it. It is somewhere in the middle. Okay, so this has a very nice livery, Safari livery on it. It says Porsche, the number 8, Sparko livery here, the Michelin branding. You can see Michelin branding here as well on the hood. It has good details on the top. It also has a spare tire. That is also very well detailed. It has the tail lamps that are acrylic. Front you get these auxiliary lights, but you don't have the details. Anyhow, I got this to add the details and all. This is the Posca 1MR markers. You can find it on Amazon, and I will try to do something. Right, the cars that I missed in this okay, yeah, this one comes from the HW Dirt series. This is from the HW Race Day series, right? Yeah, the car that I missed here is McLaren F1. Couldn't find it. The next car is the Subaru 98 Subaru, the white one. I didn't get that. I also couldn't get my hands on the Chevy Silverado. That is also from Then and Now series. The paint job on that is very good. I've seen online, I've seen the pictures. It is very, very awesome. Right, these are the 3 cars that I've missed. The pickup Silverado, the F1 McLaren, and which one was that? The Subaru, yeah. What else did I miss? Yeah, the Porsche is the recolor, Porsche Carrera is the recolor, and yeah, that is it, I guess. These are the top cars from this case. Okay, I don't know if I think this is the top car. I'll have to open it and see, do I consider this as a top car? As I said, this is the only car that I am very skeptical about whether you should get it or not. Other cars are like very good, cool cars. Like this is a very cool car. This is my favorite, and I have thoughts on this one also. So, however, I will not be opening this one. So I'll show you once again the gold paint and all, and to keep it as it is. And special surprise for my viewers. This is the surprise, right? Let's go. What did I tell you? I got these. I wasn't even looking for these. I didn't know like if I wanted to get these from very long time. I was like, let's see, if I see them in person, then I can decide if I want to buy these or not. When I saw them in person, I didn't think of anything else. I just put them in the cart and I got it built. Okay, I got these for MRP, and that is the MRP here. These are very cool trucks, man. So awesome. Both of these are very cool trucks. I also had this one. I also have this one. I like this one as well. I don't know why people are not buying this one. It is there as a peg warmer, but this is also a cool one. I'll leave the link below to the video I have posted. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty good hunt. I got these cool cars. I got the cool trucks as well. Okay, so let me know what you think. Did you get the Q case or not? Whatever it is, I hope you get it for soon, as soon as possible. I'm not able to get my hands on the McLaren and Chevy and that Subaru. Soon maybe I'll get it, and yeah, I'll post the images of that. I'll not make a whole video about it. So this sums up the Q case and these surprise. Okay, I will be unboxing these. I don't know when. If you want it now, then comment now for these. If you want the Q case cars to be unboxed first, then comment Q. So I will get to that. Okay. So this is it from this video. Stay tuned for the next videos. I'll be posting a very nice and mysterious 5-pack from a cool brand. Okay. So make sure you hit subscribe and stay tuned. Also like this video if you like these cars, if you like this whole whatever it is. Oh yeah, I'll show you just real quick. So this is the Optimus Prime. It looks really cool actually. This is the Volvo 240 Drift Camper. I'm so excited to open these now. So yeah, that's it from this video. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one, and let's see the magic in the next video. Okay, until then, do take very good care of yourself, be happy, and have a happy life. Happy collecting. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye 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 bye.